is working. So what I'm doing right now is I do believe I'm recording from high 8 to video. Okay, let's go ahead and do this and let's see what I get. I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is going to be a video on how I record high 8 video. I'm recording my desktop. Try to explain that. So this high 8, and I bought a high 8 recorder back in 1993, and it went bad, so I had to buy another one off of eBay. Maybe I did it on Amazon. They sell them. So this is the recorder. This is the camera. It's playing a video right now, and it is recording. I'm recording this video. Here we go. I might even put these together. Who knows what will happen. Okay, anyway, yeah. And then what I have it up to, with an input, I have an output right there. One time I was making a recording and I said, oh, this is cool. And then it wasn't working, and that's because I had it unplugged. And so then I'm going to what's called a clear click. I got this off of Amazon for about 60 bucks. And it is plugged in to this computer back here, which runs Linux. Okay, so that's enough of that. Okay. So let's take a look and let me show you the hardware. This is a clear click. I'm doing the yellow input with a single analog audio. Mono audio. And then the webcam I'm using this one here. That was donated. Anyway, so now let's take a look at my code that I use. First of all, I'll go here and Control-Shift-N. And what I use is ffmpeg. ffmpeg is an extremely powerful tool. I've been using ffmpeg for years. It's what YouTube uses to, back in the day, what they used to use to work with YouTube video and whatnot. I can work on this server end, but that's what I use. Okay. Also, I'm not running this in Windows. This is in Linux. I'm running Gen 2 Linux, which is essentially Linux from scratch. I've been using Gen 2 since 2006. Hardware-wise, what I'm doing is I have I have 3 hard drives, all terabytes. This is an SSD. SDA is SSD. Then I have 2 terabyte drives. So I'm pushing data to dev SDC. Good. So that in Linux, what we do, the devices are these are my video devices that I'm doing. And right now the camera is on 0. Okay, and I don't want to go off too far into the weeds with this. Anyway, so now to the code. This is the code that I use. So my capture desktop, which is the way I'm making this recording right now, alsa is my audio, and that's default, and that's set with GUI, with my operating system, rather than I could do it with terminal. that's how I record my screen. Okay, to capture the video, which I'm doing right now, let's maybe take a look at that. I use this ffmpeg command, and I'll post these on YouTube. Notice dev 0. Okay, file name, open with VLC. Okay, now what this is this is an example of this because I've chosen to use a microphone video on the Handycam and recording it at the same time using the code that I showed you before. Yeah, so and also of note, you notice what video VLC used out for years. Windows, Mac, Linux. It's de facto in Linux. I use it with Windows. When I had to use Windows, I'd use it all the time. Anyway, yeah, and so that's capturing my screen. Now to trim a video, this is what I do to trim it with my input time and my output time. So if I want to get a shorter video, let's see, let's go and try. Here we go. I wanted to do this one. This one I had to trim from other video. Let me play that real quick.
What do we want to start? I'm just going to leave this right here, Craig.
Okay. There's Troy, Billy, Trevor up there. There he is. Oh, there he is. All three of them playing around. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. That is trimmed from a larger video. So really, that's it. I mean, well, the thing is, this did not happen overnight, by the way. I've been doing this ffmpeg Linux for years, but that's how I capture video from the High 8. And ffmpeg will also, I've installed it on Windows a lot. If you need help doing that, just tell me, and I'll help you install it, and so that it also does send a path to the OS to add it to Windows PowerShell. Anyway, thank you for watching.